sweetie pie all the day.
Hello everybody, it is a beautiful Saturday morning. Well, it's not really morning, it's like 12 p.m. But it was raining so badly yesterday. I am in KL currently, specifically in Sunway at my friend's house. I left Perak yesterday and today we are gonna try JOLLIBEE at Sunway Pyramid. So yeah, this is my fit. Little makeup. But yeah, let's cut to the driving scene. We're here at Sunway Pyramid and we found the shop. Our parking was amazing that we reached right in front of the shop. What do we try first? Thank you, Brentman Rock. I like the gravy. Kind of reminds me of Kenny Rogers Roasters. Spaghetti weird. Sweet. Spaghetti. Interesting. Burger? No, let's see. This? Now we are here at our Airbnb in Setapak for some reason, and we're gonna one moment.
Few moments later.
Update. So our Airbnb, their grill is not supposed to lock, but then apparently the cleaners locked it. So now we're stuck outside, unable to open this, and we have to wait for the cleaner to get here. So yeah, Wonderful.
Much later.
Look who decided to show up. But he brought donuts as a peace offering. So, okay lah. Lembut lah sikit hati.
Nice guy.
It's been half an hour. We have decided to sit on the floor. And the owner just texted me and said that their cleaner is stuck in a jam because of hujan. So, I don't know how long we're gonna still wait around. So we got into the Airbnb after 45 minutes of waiting for the cleaner. I was too stressed out to film, so I didn't do a house tour. But the house has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a really great living area for us to hang out. It is now Sunday and I'm supposed to leave KL, but I'm stuck at my friend's house because I literally stuck my hand out the window because the rain is so heavy that the window has rain drizzles. So my camera records the rain drizzles instead of the actual surrounding. We're supposed to be able to see Genting from their house, but we can't see anything. Last night at the Airbnb, me and my friends just hang around. We played games and we were just chilling, you know. It was a little get together because one of them is leaving to Netherlands next month and we're not going to see him for another 6 months, which is next year. So yeah, we were hanging out, having fun. Practice makes perfect. Ready? Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the camera. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! And after that, today we went to lunch. And now I'm just waiting for the rain to stop so that I can go back and pet my cat. I've been here since 2:45 and it's now 4 almost. So yeah. While I have some time, I want to talk about like JOLLIBEE, what my first impression was. The chicken was really good. It was crunchy and juicy, and despite them being very busy, they still prepped everything really nicely and all the orders were there. The ice cream, the cone was really good. It kind of reminded me that one time that CU launched their Gundam ice cream, but CU's ice cream was really thick and the taste of the wheat was really strong, so I didn't like that. But JOLLIBEE's cone ice cream was good. And I didn't try the chocolate sundae, but my friend said she prefers McDonald's chocolate sundae even better. And the patty and the rice was normal. I really like the gravy with like your chicken, you dip the gravy in. That was really nice. The Aloha burger is a burger with a pineapple inside. That one is like a canned pineapple that they put in the burger. So when you bite into it, you just get a whole lot of pineapple taste instead of the burger taste. And then I tried the spaghetti, which was really interesting because I mostly know JOLLIBEE from Bretman Rock, our Filipino representation king. I didn't know what to expect with the spaghetti, so when I tried it, it wasn't really sweet, but it was different lah. And then fries was okay, and the spicy chicken wasn't really like a instantly spicy like McDonald's. Instead, it's more like a slow burn. Overall, out of 10, I would give it, it's an okay normal fast food thing, so a 7 out of 10. And yeah, I'll wait until this rain stops or until the rain is a bit more safe to drive because I am going back alone, and then I will update you guys later. Rain has finally stopped. It's 5. I will probably reach home around 8. I'm praying there's no jam. I'm praying I have enough money for gas and touch and go, but I think I'll be okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna blast my songs, drive really safe, and we're gonna get there. Yeah, Pera! Thank you to my friends for a lovely weekend. I had so much fun, and thank you guys for watching. Go try out Jollibee. If you wanna find some Kelantan food, go to Shah Alam. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye! Ciao!
Rise on you, sweetie pie.